Good afternoon. It is March the 10th, 2016, and we came into today's market wanting to be buyers of the 30-year bond. Why? Because of the 30-year auction. We wanted to buy 17s to 21s. We had a low of 19 on this first trade, gave us a good trade up at 8. Got this B, a monkey trade that gave you 10 if you traded it perfectly. This B gave you 9 if you traded it perfectly. Coming off the top on a retest failure trade was a scratch. A monkey trade right here gave you 19 if you traded it perfectly. Here's a retest failure trade that gave you 27 if you traded it perfectly. So really good trading. This V top gave you 22 if you traded it perfectly. This buy was a loser. This buy was a loser. This S trade gave you 8 if you traded it perfectly. This monkey trade gave you 31 if you traded it perfectly. There was news that hit here that made it an unusually large trade. Then we get into chop down here. We got a retest failure good for a scratch. We got an S that's good for a loser. Loss 4. We've got a buy right here that's a scratch. This V top gave you 12 if you traded it perfectly. This buy was a loser. This V bottom gave you 11 if you traded it perfectly. V top a scratch. This buy was a scratch. This sell was a loser. This monkey trade right here. This buy was good for 6. This S was good for a loser. So 20 trades possible. That's a lot of trades to take. We wouldn't expect you to take that many. There were 5 losers. That's a bit higher. Normally we expect 2 to 3 losers during the day, but every now and then you get tagged. So we only count 6 ticks, 6 30-seconds on our winners, and there's a 19, there's a 10, there's a 27, there's a 22, there's a 31 tick trade. So you can do a lot better if you let your trades run. 40 ticks gives you $1,250. This is a big contract, can make you a lot of money. Hey, come take a look at us. We trade live 3 to 7 times a day. You get to see the software work, you get to see the methodology work, you get to see my ability to read the tape work. We trade the bond, the 10-year, the E-mini, the gold, euro, and crude contracts. Concentrate mostly on the E-mini, but we do get bond and crude trades done. We offer you 5 free days in the main trading room to take a look at us. Do come and visit us. Looking forward to seeing you in the not so distant future.